Let's consider this question now. Ahmed rented a flat for 1 year contract for $60,000. He has to pay a fixed amount each month. So, what is the meaning of this statement? Ahmed rented a house for $60,000. He has to pay fixed amount each month. So, how much exactly he's going to pay? 60,000. I'm sorry about that. He's paying 60,000 for a period of 1 year, means 12 months. So he is paying $5,000 per month. Consider A as the amount of money he is left to pay each month. Okay, so A is the amount of money left to pay after each month. So after first month, means in the first month he has already paid 5,000. So out of 60,000, he has already paid 5,000. So he is still left to pay 55,000. Similarly, after 2 months, out of the 60,000, he has already paid 2 times 5,000. So this is 60,000 minus 10,000, and this is equals to 50,000. So what is exactly Ahmed is left to pay after n months is AN, and is equal to 60,000 minus 5,000 times n, where n is the number of months. So based on this situation, we have to answer these questions. Define an equation for the above situation. So this is the required equation. So we can write it as AN equals 60,000 minus 5,000 times n. What is independent variable in this case? Of course, the number of months, because this is generating this equation on the right hand side. That is why we can say n, that is equal to the number of months in a year, is the independent variable. What is dependent variable? AN, of course, the amount of money. This function is created by n, so AN, this AN is the dependent variable, which is the amount of money left at the end of each month. What is x-intercept? If we look at this equation and I compare it with y equals mx plus b, this takes the form AN equals m. Your m is 5,000, n becomes the variable, and b is 60,000. If I compare both of them, y equals mx plus b. X-intercept is a point where the line cuts x-axis, and to cut x-axis, y has to be equal to 0. So AN has to be 0. If I substitute AN equal to 0, this helps me to find the value of x-intercept. 0 equals minus 5,000 n plus 60,000. This 60,000 can be brought on the other side, and we are left with minus 60,000 equals minus 5,000 n. If I divide both the sides by minus 5,000, this gives me the value of n, and is equal to, say, 12 equals n. So n, that is the x-intercept, because this is independent variable, equals 12, and I can write the x-intercept as 12, 0. What is y-intercept? If I compare the value of b in this equation is 60,000, so I can say that AN, that is 60,000, this is the y-intercept, and I can represent it as 0, 60,000. what is the amount left at the end of 6 months? At the end of 6 months, so AN at the end of 6 months is 60,000 minus 6 times 5,000. So this is 60,000 minus 30,000, and the result is 30,000. These are all dollars. After how many months the amount left is $15,000. So this amount means EN is given to us, and this is given as 15,000, which is satisfying the equation 60,000 minus 5,000 N. I'll just shift this value on the other side, and I have 15,000 minus 60,000 equals minus 5,000 N. On this side I have minus 45,000 equals minus 5,000 N. I divide both the sides by minus 5,000 to get the value of N. This implies the value of N equals 0.0000005 times 1, 5 times 1, and 9 times 5 times 9 is 45, so value of N is 9. So after 9 months the amount left to pay is 15,000.